And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I feel like I should have dressed up for this weather hit. Well, record warmth. If you like warm temperatures, the last 3 days have been your thing. Temperatures for hit records on Saturday was 75, Sunday 72, Monday 76. We tied the record with an actual temperature of 75 at TF Green Saturday, broke the record on Sunday with a temperature of 75, and today broke another record with a high temperature of 79. The all-time warmest November day since records have been kept is 81 degrees, and we came awfully close to that today. But that is all gone now. We're going to cool things off, and we're going to get ourselves back into November mode here. Now, these temperatures right here aren't that bad right now. We've dropped back in the mid to upper 50s. That's what our normal high temperature should be, and it's 11 o'clock at night. Well, a little past 11. We're going to drop a lot more tonight, so another 10, 15 degrees. And when you wake up tomorrow, it will feel a lot more like November. The breeze has been persistent through the evening, too. 10 to 15 miles per hour, gust to 20, and that breeze will stay around all night long and be with you during the day tomorrow as well. So when you wake up, temperatures 30s mixed in with some low 40s. Not terribly cold for this time of year at all, but compared to what we're coming off of on the heels of 70 plus temperatures the last 3 days, a cooler morning than we've had, and that will set up for a cooler day tomorrow. If you're going to be out and about, maybe going to vote in the morning, obviously maybe a little bit more of a light jacket. Afternoon temperatures get up into the 50s, so a big noticeable difference, especially with the wind still northwesterly, gust to 25 tomorrow. It'll take that 54 or 55, even with sunshine, and make it feel a little bit cooler. Southeastern Mass, your temperatures in the 50s, and it will stay cool not just for tomorrow, but a look ahead right into Wednesday. A little bit less wind, still mid 50s, but lots of sunshine. A little warmer for Thursday, back into the 60s. And then we got to keep an eye on a storm as we go into Friday, especially nighttime into Saturday. And where is that storm coming? It's part of the tropics, believe it or not. Subtropical storm Nicole. Hurricane season goes all the way to the end of November. And I've been saying all along, don't sleep on the tropics because it can still be active right through Thanksgiving. And Nicole right now is forecast to go west, eventually become a Cat 1 hurricane. And there are already hurricane watches issued for parts of eastern Florida. Do a little loop-de-loop around Florida, and then we're now in the cone. By the time it gets to us, though, this little low pressure here, it's essentially post-tropical, but that doesn't mean it's going to be a weak system. It still packs a punch with very heavy rainfall, and you can still have sustained winds of 40 to 50 miles an hour, possibly gust even higher. So expect a very stormy stretch from Friday night through Saturday with the combination of wind and rain. So where is it coming from? Here, right? Watch the Futurecast. This is the GFS model. Brings the heavy rain right across Florida and then starts to take the turn north up 95. I think most of Veterans Day will be dry, warm, and cloudy until the rain finally comes in Friday night. Now, some of the heavier rain may start off to our west, but eventually it will start to swing east. And it looks like the bullseye right now, especially through Saturday evening, could be for eastern Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southeastern Mass, where some of the highest rain totals could be. Now, obviously, tracking this for the next couple of days, any kind of movement southeast or northwest would move that heavier band of rain, but still something to be concerned about this far out. You see a bullseye of over 4 inches. That might be a bit overdone, but still, the potential is there for a significant rain event and also some gusty winds Friday night and Saturday. Once that system moves away, dry things out for Sunday and Monday, a mix of sun and clouds and much cooler. Temperatures only near 50 degrees for your daytime highs. Nick?
I'm Nick Coit at the Ryan Center in Kingston. A disappointing start to the Archie